So I'm going to believe Facebook. Hey, how you doing? It's been a while. Vicky Blades, your video coach here. I'm going live inside the group Camera Confidence for women in business and beyond, the Camera Confidence Club, I should say. And I thought I'd pop along because it's hashtag Top Tip Tuesday and I wanted to give you some tips. I actually want to talk about my new offer because I'm so excited. My new offer is about helping you build your video library. It's about you creating the 6 marketing videos that every single business needs and creating it along with me. So we're kind of doing it together. So in the program, you will spend time with me and a small number of other people. I don't want too many because I won't be able to give kind of personal feedback. But the idea of the group is that we will work together. We will create the 6 marketing videos that you need. And you'll be given assignments. You'll go and make the video. You'll come back. I'll help you, give you some feedback, and then you decide whether you want to re-record it or however you want to move forward. But the really exciting thing is that alongside actually making the videos, which I know is a big headache for lots of people, we're also going to look at systems and strategies and frameworks. And one really important system is your library. Where do you keep your videos? How do you keep them? I want you to have a marketing library that is literally like going and taking a book off a shelf, so that when you get a client inquiry, or when you're doing a drive to get new clients, or when you've got a product to sell, or when you're selling a service, you can go to your library and go, yes, I made a video about that. Take it off the shelf and share it everywhere. Right? Doesn't that sound amazing? Because I know that 2 of the main hurdles I think that people have around, or that I know that people have around videos is, first of all, getting going, taking action, actually making the thing. And secondly of all, having a system of where to put them, how to access them, how to link them, how to send them out to people. And that's where the library bit of building your library comes in. So I've decided that one of my bonuses on this course is going to be me building your library, right? How cool is that? So not only are we going to make the videos, we're going to use those videos as templates to make more videos. We're going to put together a framework for every single video, so it's a no-brainer. All you literally have to do is fill in a little bit of content on your area of expertise because you're going to follow this framework. Then we're going to have a strategy so that you know exactly when you're making your videos, what they're about, and what your clients need to hear from you. And finally, we're going to have a system as well whereby you can go and take your videos off your shelf whenever you need them. And that, my friend, is video marketing done forever. I'm so excited. I honestly think this is going to be a game changer for lots of people. I know even if you do make videos, so for example, a coach that I follow who I think is amazing, goes live, does coaching calls, does tons of training, is literally on screen pretty much every day in her various groups and masterminds and so on, has thousands of videos and no clue where they all are. All that golden content that can be reused and repurposed, just scattered about her room, if you like. Could be on a computer, a hard drive, a cloud thing, maybe some on YouTube, or and that, my friend, makes me want to cry, because everything that you put out there is golden content, and I want you to get into the habit of keeping everything, because you never know when you might need it. So I'm excited to come on and tell you today about the bonus, which is build your library, or let me build your video library, which will be part of the Video Coaching Academy. So the Video Coaching Academy, making your 6 marketing videos to build the foundation of your library, and I'm also going to help you build your library system. Honestly, it's a no-brainer. I've got some other juicy, exciting bonuses coming up as well, and some special offers, and you're going to be the first to know here in the Camera Confidence Club. But I want to tell you that I'm going to change the name of this club as well. I love it, and I think maybe I will keep the Camera Confidence Club for something else. But what this group is really about is how to get clients with video. And that's pretty much what I talk about all the time. All of these tips about looking natural, how to be confident on a screen, what to talk about, how to structure your videos, the kind of videos you should be making, how long your videos should be, it's all really about getting clients using video. So that's what the group is going to be called, Get Clients with Video. And I hope that you enjoy it and that you like it and get so much value out of it that you will invite people to come and join us. So, hashtag Top Tips Tuesday. I'm so excited, I just had to hop on and tell you more about my six marketing videos that you're going to make with me in my program that's coming up soon, the Video Coaching Academy. The bonus Build a Library module that you'll get if you join. And let me tell you, my friend, there are some other juicy things coming. And especially for those that join early, I'm actually looking for only a few foundational members who are just going to get blown away with bonuses and extras and so much more. So, if you're interested, and there's no obligation, we can have a chat, you can get on a waiting list, or just want to know more information, then drop the word video below this video and I'll hop into the DMs and we can talk about what you might want from a program such as this. And as always, if you've got any questions in the group, please tag me in a comment and ask away. But for now, if you're interested in building your foundational video marketing library with the 6 marketing videos that every business needs, plus the bonus of actually building your library forever, plus templates, frameworks, strategies, systems, and more to get your video marketing done forever, then no obligation, but drop the word video below and let's chat. I'm so excited. In the meanwhile, have a great Tuesday, folks, and I will see you soon.